If current flows through a resistor, a motor, and a light, how is there still current left at the end? Shouldn't the circuit run out of current? A lot of people imagine current like fuel that gets used up as it travels. But that mental picture is completely wrong, and it causes confusion in almost every electronics topic after this. Most beginners think current is like gasoline in a pipe. It leaves the battery, travels through parts, and each component takes some. So by the time it comes back, there should be less. But if that were true, current going back to the battery would be smaller than what left. And that never happens in a normal circuit. Current is not stuff that gets used up. Current is movement, the movement of charge around a loop. Imagine cars driving in a circular track. A factory on the track slows the cars down, but it doesn't make cars disappear. The same number of cars pass every point each second. Components don't use current. They use energy. Current is just the flow that carries that energy. We're measuring the current at one point in the loop. If current were being used up, the value after each component would be smaller. But it's identical. The component didn't take current. It made it harder for the whole loop to flow, so the current in the entire circuit changed. If current were like water stored in the wire, some might still be left. But no loop means no movement, so current instantly becomes zero. Current only exists when charges can move in a closed loop. In series circuits, same current flows through all parts. That's why a single bad connection stops everything. Fuses work, they interrupt current. Measuring current requires breaking the circuit. Designers don't think how much current is left. They think how much current is flowing in the loop. Current doesn't get used up. It's the same flow all around the loop. Components use energy, not current.